Hey guys, C751. C751. If I heard right, you guys look good. You gotta be safe going eastbound. 29's late. You know you already passed it by now. Unless something happens, I don't know. But there's Montrose right there. And the Metro station, the Turnbuck station, is right there. You can see the concrete roof. That's Turnbuck station for the Metro. The way it's facing going to DC, coming towards us going to City Grove. Alright, see you guys. Maybe if 29 shows up, great. If it don't, I'll see you guys next time.